Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new fish fillet knife kit that I got. So I live in South Texas. Fishing is just a way of life down here. And if you fish, you know how important it is to have your fillet tools with you at the waterside. This way you can get rid of all the junk, all the fish mess, not bring that stinky stuff home to where it messes with your trash can. Bring the flies. If you know, you know. So this is a really great little kit. So we have, first of all, it has Velcro snaps in here, so it's going to Velcro everything in, so it's not just going to be throwing it in a bag. It's going to keep everything nice and organized. So we have two fillet knives. Okay, so these are really nice, perfect. There's a larger one. This is the larger one. And this sheath actually has a little lip here so that it doesn't just fall off, which I really like that. Put this back on here. And then this one's a little smaller. You can see that one right there. And that one in there. Zip this one up. And then we have a sharpener. So after you've used it, sharpen it. That way it's always ready to go for your next fishing trip. And then on this side, we have a descaler. So scale those fish. And then you also have a set of scissors here. Really nice quality, heavy duty scissors. And then, let me get this back on here. I'm gonna put this one in there. In here, we have a little cutting board. Now, where I'm from, our fish are much bigger than this. So I do have my own cutting board that I take with me, but this would be good for, you know, cutting up your bait. If you catch some small perch and things like that, you want to use them as cut bait. This would be perfect for that. And then you do have some gloves as well. So yeah, overall, I think this is a really great little knife kit for fishing. So, you know, gift idea for anyone. I would say your husband, but I love to fish. So get it as a gift for someone like me. Or if you just want something for yourself to take along on your fishing trip so you're fully prepared, I definitely recommend this one. So check them out.